Hello, it's Josh Gavin here, and welcome back to another video here. You might be thinking this is not a live stream, this is like a different sort of video in Resi. And basically this is going to be a tutorial video. This is going to be a new series now. Basically I'm going to be doing like tutorials on different kind of things that people won't know. So today we're going to be talking about how to set up the Nintendo Switch. So if any of you don't know how to do this, basically it's absolutely simple. If any of you don't know how to set it up, it's absolutely easy peasy and lemon squeezy to actually set it up. So you can kind of see I've got myself the plug basically for the Switch. I've got the Switch itself, which is just here, and I've got launcher pad as well here. So basically I'm going to be talking about how to set up the Nintendo Switch. So basically, we're going to do the plug right at the end because it does need more charge. So basically, we're going to start off of how you basically set it up first. It's pretty simple. So another thing you have to do is you have to turn on this button here. So I'm going to show you now. So you can kind of see there's a little bit of a power button. You can probably not see it, but it's right about there. You can kind of see there's a little bit of a power button. So what I've got to do, by the way, is I've got to click on that power button until it comes on. There you go, and you can kind of see now the switch is absolutely turned on. So like I said, let me do it again. Oh, did not mean to do that. So you can kind of see the way it works is you have to press that little button there, turn that on completely, and then it comes up with this look. It comes up with your home. It does come up with a little bit of a pin, but I won't be showing that. It basically comes up with a little bit of a pin. Come on, stupid switch. There we go. And the next thing you've got to do, by the way, is you've got to press the start button, and you've just got to put your own pin in, which, there you go, that's it. So you can see now, it comes up with this look. So I've got 3 games at the moment on my Switch. Not got many games, I've got ARMS, Mario Kart 8 and 1-2 Switch, basically. Pretty simple how to do, turn it on completely, and then you can just play with any game you want. Also on the Switch you do have some settings to basically learn how to control us. So you do all like the shop, store and anything like that. So yeah, the Switch is completely done. It's basically that is how you basically how you turn it on and play games. I'm going to go and show you just read the details. So you basically have news, you have albums, controllers, setup and sleep mode. So yeah, that's actually how you turn it on. Next thing is basically how do you get these in here? Well, I'm going to show you right now. So the way how this works is you have to get your Nintendo Switch and you have to pull the back of this. So let me go and show you now. So this bit at the back here, you have to pull that and it basically pulls them off. So I'll go and show, oh, we're not going on sleep mode. Right, I'm going to go and show you now. So if I just go and do the first one, it's pretty simple. Oh, if I can even, no, I don't want bloody sleep mode. Right, there we go. And there you go. There's one. I'm going to show you the other one. Pretty simple. There you go. Perfect. And now your Switch looks like that. And then when you've done that, I'm going to put my Switch down. And then what you do with these is you have to put these in here. So it's a bit difficult, but I'm going to show you now. So the way how this works is you have to put them in that way around. So where it says Nintendo Switch, you have to put them in that way. So the way how this works is you have to, it's quite difficult, is you have to do this look. So you have to pull it in there. There we go. There's one. And I'm going to show you the other one. So you have to drag it in completely to do that look. You have to drag it in, and then you have to do it like that, and there you go. So basically that is how you can play on the controller. So basically every time I play the Switch I can either use the pad to play it or use the controller. So yeah, that's the pad, that's that sorted. Right, the very final objective of this setup is the charger. Now, so basically the way how this works is I will move my camera in a minute when I've got myself up. I'll go and just move the camera a little bit up here. I'm not sure if you can see me from here, but anyway, Yeah, you can. Just come and just move the pillar out of the way. Here we go. So yeah, you can see I've got my my plug here. So the way this works is you have to find a plug socket. So I've got one right here. So this is easy. So just plug that in here. Bottom's your uncle. There we go. Just turned on. And then this is a bit of a secret part. So if I just go and turn this off for a minute. There we go. Right. So basically, I'm going to show you how you plug it in. So can you see that little bit there? That's where it plugs in. So all what you have to do is if this can even reach, is you have to put that in here. There we go, and it should look like that. And there you go. So you can see it looks like that. So that goes at the front there, and that's it. And that is the tutorial. The tutorial of how to set up and play the Nintendo Switch. To be honest with you, I think it was really good. Really enjoyed that tutorial. It might have not been one of the best tutorials I've ever done, but it was really good, that one. It was my first one, by the way, so I will be doing plenty more of these tutorial videos. They might not be very long, but it's pretty good. Make sure you stick for the live stream coming up in half an hour. That'll be really handy. But yeah, if you want more tutorial videos, please leave them in the comments. This is a brand new series, so we'll say episode 1 at the start. So yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. If you've got any more, please let me know. That's the end of this one. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.